Hello everyone, I'm Nikta Bhattrai from BSc MLT Second Sem. I would like to thank Pradeep sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity to present on the topic. And the topic of my presentation is tumor antigen. So now I would like to start my presentation. And the overview of my presentation are introduction, classification, properties, classification based on T cell recognition, TSTA producing agents, specificity of agent in TSTA, tumor associated transplantation antigen TATA. Tumor antigen. Tumor antigen are the antigens that are present in the malignant cell but absent in the corresponding normal cell in the host. They are antigenic substance produced in the tumor cell. It triggers an immune response in the host. Tumor-specific antigens are present on the membrane of the malignant cell. It is proteins which are not recognized by our immune system. They are non-membrane protein but are derived of cytosolic protein. Classification. Tumor antigens are mainly classified into two groups. They are tumor-specific transplantation antigen TSTA and another is tumor-associated transplantation antigen TATA. Tumor-specific transplantation antigen TSTA. It is located on the tumor cell and are unique or specific antigen for particular tumor and not shared by normal cells. And another one is tumor-associated transplantation antigen. They are present in the tumor cell as well as on some normal cell from where the tumor originates. Properties of the tumor-specific transplantation antigen TSTA. They are unique to the tumor cell. They do not occur on the normal cell in the body. TSTA produced due to the physical, chemical or viral mutagens. The immune system detect the eliminate those tumor cells by antigen on the cell surface. Properties of the tumor-associated transplantation antigen TATAS. Tumor-associated antigen are not unique to the tumor cell. These proteins are expressed on the normal cell during fetal development when the immune system is immature and unable to respond, but the normally are not expressed in the adults. Tumor-associated antigen may be proteins that are normally expressed at extremely low level on normal cell but are expressed at much high level on the tumor cell. For example, transferrin growth factor, designated P97, which helps in the transport of iron into cells. TSTA producing agent. Following are the causes of TSTA production. They are chemical agent, physical agent, and virus. Chemical agent example methylchloroethane, physical agent ultraviolet light, virus polyoma virus. Specificity of the agent in TSTA. They are chemical agent or physical agent. Antigens nature different with respect to the type of tissue administered and the dose. Virus. Antigens are specific only to the strain irrespective of the tissue and concentration. Various group of tumor antigen are as follow. They are oncoprotein from mutated oncogene, example protein of RAS, BCL or ABL and CDK4. And another one is protein produced of tumor suppressor gene, example mutated protein P53 and beta catenin. And another is overexpressed cellular protein, example HER2, and new protein is overexpressed in many cases of the breast cancer. And another is tumor antigen front viral oncoprotein, example viral oncoprotein of HPV-CE6, E7 in cervical cancer and EBNA protein of EBV in Burkitt lymphoma. And another is cell-specific differentiated antigen, various CD marker of the various type of lymphomas. And the last one is tumor antigen from randomly mutated gene. And this much. Thank you for listening.